Hi, I'm Mallory, and this is Aileron. Campus is located in Tipp City, Ohio, and we are tucked away on 114 acres. Now let me share a little story with you. Our founder, Clay Mattil, had a love for aviation, and when he was looking for a place for Aileron to exist, he was flying over this exact spot. He knew this would be the best place for Aileron to be located. And so in 2005, we broke ground, and in 2008, we opened our doors to what is now known as Aileron. Now, you might be wondering, what is aileron? What does that mean? Aileron actually refers to a term on an airplane. It is a part that lifts and stabilizes the plane. So what we do here at Aileron is we want to partner with you, and we want to help lift and stabilize your business. Now, let's go take a look around campus. Right off of the lobby, one of the first rooms is our founder's room. This room is special for many reasons. One, it's our newest room that's available to our clients here at Aileron. And two, this was our founder, Clay Mattill's office. This was a space he worked out of, so it truly means a lot to us. Not only that, but this room also has its own kitchenette and own private restroom. And this is our rotunda. This is the center of campus. This place is really special because a lot of times people will come down and use this area to do some quiet work by the fire. One other cool thing I want to point out is up on the fireplace here, we have these words that were intentionally chosen. These are all characteristics of entrepreneurs and business owners. Now let's go to our workshop commons area. Down here is where we hold most of our public and private workshops. I'm going to show you 3 rooms down here. All have the same AV technology. This is our south workshop. This would be our smallest one. It holds up to 12 teammates and it has 1 projector screen. Over to this side is our west workshop. This one has 2 projector screens and holds up to 24 people. If we move around this way, this is our north workshop. This one holds 20 teammates and has 1 projector screen. And then just past our dining room, we enter into our boardroom. This room holds up to 18 people, and we have the same AV technology. We have a screen here. We also have owls that we can set up in all of our workshops. Just off of the rotunda is our cafe. This is complimentary to anybody who is using campus. We have fountain drinks, granola bars, all kinds of snacks. What we want is for when you're here on campus to be able to work, and we don't want anything to get in the way of that, including hunger. This area we call our Information Commons, also known as the library. This is a great place to find a space that's quiet and you can sit down next to the fireplace and get some work done. Just up the stairs from the Info Commons, we have our Dream Room, and that takes us down the Focus Hallway, which is where Focus Rooms 1 through 4 are located. These are rooms that are only available and exclusive to our Campus Pass members. This is our East Workshop. This is our largest workshop on campus. And this room is special because we utilize this room for a lot of our community events, such as Founders Day and our Summit. This workshop holds up to 35 people, and it's special because it has a stage and the podium and this large screen behind me. That doesn't even begin to scratch the surface. A few honorable mentions would be our outdoor amenities, such as our quarter-mile walk around the pond, our waterfall, and the gazebo with a whiteboard. But let's not forget, we also offer services with our leadership and business coaches. So if there's something that you would like or have interest in and you want to come out and see our campus, just give us a call or visit us online. Bye!